Okay, good day nating lahat dyan sa Pilipinas. Dito po tayo sa Port Chalmers, about 20 minutes ride galing Dunedin guys. And it's windy, medyo malamig yung hangin. At the same time, meron tayong sun. And look at the skies! Blue! Ganda guys, alright? This is my ship guys, by the way. Look at that guys, ang color ng mountain. Kung titingnan niyo, ang ganda, no? Then, ayan po yung shuttle natin, pero...
Nothing but lies.
Really? Ayan guys, naputol actually yung vlog kasi napindot ko po, no? But anyways guys, it was very interesting. I never expected that. Just gonna go out, no? So I have a good view of the Port of Chalmers. I've been here in Dunedin a few times, and this time po, explore lang natin konti yung Port Chalmers, which is the gateway to Dunedin. Okay guys, so nandito na po tayo sa Port Chalmers, and ayan guys, these are mga old Victorian style na mga buildings guys, and that one as well. I remember this place now. Nandito na pala ako nung una guys, kaso lang when I arrived here, matagal na rin guys, more than probably 7-8 years. Alright, you see guys, napaka-respectable ng mga tao dito, no? Because now we are here walking in the pedestrian, even though I haven't crossed yet, pero it's a habit talaga na mag-stop din sila, no? And the pedestrian always has the way. Alright, that's how respectful, even in Australia it's also like that guys, no? So ayan, punta natin yung church guys, tingnan natin kung anong itsura. Okay, alright guys, so yan ang church. Yan ang itsura ng church guys, and this is very typical for mga churches of British ancestry. Okay, we're gonna go farther. Let's see kung ano pa makita natin. Hinihingal na ako guys, look at that. Hindi pa nga ganun ka elevated, pero it just shows na wala na talaga tayong practice sa gym. I have to go back to the gym. Alright, so ayan guys, nandito yung Seafair Center. Pasokin natin. Ito yung lugar na pinupuntahan ng mga crew. Okay. Hi Ro! So meron tayong mga billiards. Sometimes nagbibigayan sila ng mga pagkain, mga extra na mga damit. Saka most importantly guys, no, may mga books dito na pwede mong basahin. Alright? But kadalasan ng mga seafarers pupunta dito because of the internet. Alright? Okay, napakaliit lang seafarers dito sa Port Chalmers. Alright, so ayan guys, no, nandito na tayo sa center, and may mga tindahan po dito. In fact, we had a Filipino store that sells a lot sushi, and yeah, dami pa mga pagkain. So guys, kung na-notice niyo dito po sa labas, no, kadalasan in Australia, New Zealand, medyo mingaw gid guys, no, ang lugar, ha? And sometimes I would wonder guys kung survive ba ni sila. There goes my fans. Woo! Say hi. Alright guys, ayan guys, let's go. So ito naman guys is the Port Chalmers Foursquare Supermarket. So ito yung pinakamalaking supermarket nila guys. And basically, kompleto din dito mga gamit guys, no? At saka mga ano nila, kailangan para tong 7-Eleven na malaki sa atin, or convenience store diri sa New Zealand guys, sa mga tao ga tiniil. Nawana. So mao na sila guys, naanad na sila nga magtiniil. So Cadbury is supposed to be manufactured here in Dunedin guys, and unfortunately I learned from my sister, and also when I arrived here in Dunedin, na nagsira na, nag-close na tong factory nila. So sad. It's one of those trademark product sa New Zealand. Ayan guys, may nakita tayong Filipino flag dito, and they actually offer a Filipino and Japanese cuisine here in this restaurant guys. So it's nice to see Filipino flags here in this part of New Zealand. And that also goes to say guys na marami pala nakatira dito na Filipino. Okay? So that's the second shop na Filipino restaurant na nakita ko dito sa napakaliit na town ng Port Chalmers. So again guys, thank you very much New Zealand, and soon, hello Tasmania!